Welcome everyone, it is John and Heather, and it is Thanksgiving, so I want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. But one of my favorite things about Thanksgiving is every year Heather makes these little cream cheese thingies.
Yeah, they don't really have a name. We just always call them cream cheese candies. But they're kind of like what you would see at a wedding, but they usually add mint extract, which we usually don't, but you can. It's an option. This particular recipe won't have it in it today, but it's there if you want it.
Yeah, and they're really good, so I highly recommend. And they're easy, super simple to make.
Yeah, you can make it the night before, which is what we're doing for Thanksgiving tomorrow.
And it's something the kids can help make too. It's fun, easy, and follow us. Okay, for this recipe, you need a half stick of butter. You need a whole box of cream cheese, 8 ounces.
Softened to room temperature.
Softened to room temperature. You're gonna need 2.5 cups of powdered sugar. Food coloring of your choice. You can go crazy here, do whatever you want. A little bit of vanilla extract.
A teaspoon.
Teaspoon of vanilla extract. And some granule sugar, some regular pure cane sugar. All right, she's just putting the butter in here. These both are room temperature, right?
They're getting there.
Getting there. Well, we kind of dropped the ball, but ideally you want them both to be room temperature.
It looks pretty squishable.
Yeah, I think we'll be okay.
Yeah.
You won't match.
I might have to have you do it, some of it, but
Yeah.
the butter's a little harder than the cream cheese. Okay, anyways, you cream this together. And we'll be back.
Okay, so next is pouring in the vanilla. And mix that real good.
And it takes a little bit to mix it, but
Yeah.
it gets there eventually.
Okay, so we got the cream cheese and vanilla all mixed up into a mess there in the bowl.
And the butter.
And the butter.
And then we need to add the coloring. So we're gonna make pumpkins. So we'll be using those 2 colors. I put a little bit aside in this bowl. That's gonna be the stems for the pumpkins. So that will need to be green. So you wanna make sure that if you're doing separate colors, you do so at this point before you add the powdered sugar and things.
Yep. And you know, you can like just do one color for all of them or even no colors. But
So this is just for this holiday. You can actually get molds that are made out of silicone at baking supply places and things. And you can do them for any holiday or whatever. They have all kinds of different, I'm sure they have them on Etsy and stuff too now. But we're just making orange for this. And that, I'm winging it. I don't know. We'll see what color this comes out.
Yeah, who knows?
So far, that's just one ratio of the dye. It'd be cool if I could get a really rich orange color. I don't know if that'll happen. It is, I think that's gel food coloring, isn't it? Yeah, gel. So that's gonna make it a little bit less watery than if you use traditional food dye.
It sounds gross.
It's exactly the same color as the bowl.
It is. You color match that.
Lift that up so I can see. Oh, I can't tell. It's the same color as the bowl almost. I'm gonna probably add, what do you think, more red?
Yeah, probably a little bit more red to give it more of that orange tone. Hey. Oh man, that's looking sus there. It looks like a murder's just happened in this bowl.
It looks like spaghetti sauce.
I think it's turning pink.
Way too much parm. I added, what, like 2 more drops of red?
Yeah.
Looks a little reddish, doesn't it?
Yeah. It looks like a radish.
It's not gonna be like pumpkin. I don't think I can get it that pumpkin-y.
What about yellow?
Let's add some more yellow. 1 drop, you think? That was kind of 1-ish.
Okay, so this is the final form. It's
exactly the same color as the bowl.
So we're just gonna have, it's
gonna look pastel pumpkin.
Yeah, pastel pumpkins. Whatever, they're still gonna taste delicious.
We got the green mixed up. We don't have the powdered sugar added. We just need a very tiny amount of that. So the next step will be to add the powdered sugar in. If you are doing 2 colors, then
make sure you adjust.
Yeah.
No, we didn't really adjust, but we're gonna wing it.
I'm gonna do that, and then I'll see how it goes. And you can always add more if you need to. Just start with a little bit less.
Okay, so at this point, we've got them all mixed up. We got the powdered sugar mixed up with the cream cheese, butter, vanilla, all that. We put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Let it kind of set up. Make it a lot easier to work with when you mold it and make your little creations of art.
Too big.
No, I don't think it's too big.
Okay, yeah.
Just gonna roll it around in the sugar. Just get a nice little crusty coating on it, like that. And then put it in the
And then you can go as far as to put like the little lines of a pumpkin on here. I probably won't do all of that because it takes forever, but you can. Or you can just get a pumpkin mold.
Yeah.
And then you would just add a tiny little stem on top. This is basically like food Play-Doh.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Food Play-Doh. And then voila, you got a little pumpkin.
Adorable.
That is cute, honey.
Only 53 more to go.
All right. Well,
This turned actually more orange than we thought.
it did. Look at that. Like,
So
that
I
looks
think
perfect.
I think that's good. I thought it looked a little too peachy, but it turned out good.
Turned out good. Cool.
And this is the finished product. They're all a little different. That's okay. We're not uniform. But they kind of remind me a little bit of Charlie Brown. What is it?
Yeah, like the cartoon kind of
Yeah, like the...
pumpkins on the, you know.
Or
the
Berenstain Bears, too.
Yeah.
But you're going to want to put them in the refrigerator for a little bit before you serve them because they do get soft once they get room temperature. And once you've been working with them in your hands and stuff, they're going to heat up a little bit. So make sure you refrigerate before you serve them. And keep them covered as well. But you can make them ahead.
Okay, guys, that was fun. Very easy to make. Very simple, but very tasty and a really, really good holiday snack for everyone. Look at that.
Yeah, we're going to have these before we have Thanksgiving dinner that night. Just during the day, just as a snack.
Yeah, we'll have some stuff out for the few family members that's going to be here. So, but guys, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. If you like these kind of videos, please let me know down below in the comments and give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so. Keeps you in the loop of what's going on in our lives. Guys, thank you for watching. Y'all have a good one.